To start with, I will report on the update on our numbers here in British Columbia for COVID-19. And today we're reporting on the period from November 10th to 11th and then 11th to today. So between Tuesday and Wednesday, we had an additional 536 people test positive for COVID-19. And from Remembrance Day yesterday to today, an additional 594 people be diagnosed with COVID-19. And just to put that in perspective, in the last 24 hours, we had 588 people test positive, and there were 12,442 tests that were done in the last 24 hours. So that brings us to 1,130 new cases in the province in the last 2 days, and our total being 20,368 people in British Columbia. And our new cases in the last 2 days, 249 are people in Vancouver Coastal Health Region, 808 are people who reside in the Fraser Health Region, 16 are people in the Vancouver Island Health Region, 34 people in the Interior Health Region, and 23 of the cases are people who reside in the Northern Health Region. We're now up to 5,793 active cases, and we now have 155 people with COVID-19 in hospital, 44 of whom are in critical care or ICU. Sadly, we have an additional 4 people who have died from COVID-19 over the last 2 days, bringing our total number of people who've died from COVID-19 to 288. 3 of those people were in long-term care home, and 1 of them was an elderly person from the community. As always, when we think about remembrance and we think about the challenges in mourning people who've died from COVID-19 in these times and how challenging it is, and our condolences go to the families who have lost their loved ones, to the care providers who've looked after them, and to our communities who mourn their loss. We have 11,091 people who are on active public health monitoring right now, and 14,089 people who have recovered from COVID-19. In the past 2 days, we've had 6 new healthcare facility outbreaks at the Nanaimo Regional General Hospital here on Vancouver Island, Chartwell Langley Gardens, Peaceport Seniors Village, the Harrison at Elam Village. This is the second, unfortunately, outbreak at that facility, Dania Home and Finnish Manor. And 3 outbreaks have been declared over at Care Life Fleetwood, Hamilton Village Centre, and Mayfair Terrace Retirement Residence. So that leaves 41 active outbreaks in our healthcare system, 35 in long-term care and assisted living, and 6 in acute care, affecting 1,331 people, 764 residents, and 561 staff.